Hi, this is David with Heinz Feet on High Places. So, as most of you probably already know, I've got a fundraiser going on currently for St. Jude's. It ends tonight at midnight. You can still donate to it after that, but that's the cutoff that I set for the challenge. And the goal that I had set, well, I'm nowhere close. I've honestly raised less than 10% of my $1,000 goal. It doesn't matter to me when you donate. The arbitrary cutoff time that I set up was for my personal challenge, and I didn't meet it. But a lot of people have indicated an interest in seeing the head shave event, so I'm going to do it anyway. Only because I didn't make my goal, the beard stays, and I'm not going to completely shave my head. But most of all of this is going to be gone. Now, I did discover that I cannot do a live mobile stream with my YouTube account because I don't have enough followers. So I'm going to have to record it and post it later. Yeah, sorry. Anyway, I've got an appointment, not this Saturday, but next, to get my hair cut, and we're still going to do it anyway. So to those who donated, thank you. Your donations are greatly appreciated. And if you meant to donate but didn't get around to it, well, you've still got a little bit of time before the midnight deadline. But honestly, it doesn't really matter whether you make the deadline or not. The important thing is to support St. Jude's and their awesome mission. Thank you, and have a blessed day.